Service organizations are commonly used by entities to outsource a variety of functions within a business. We'll take a look at when and why a company decides to use a service organization, and also why it's important for the external auditors of the company using the service organization to understand how their client is using the service organization and the impacts it will have on the audit. Meet Out of a Hat Company, the nationwide retailer of magical products and experiences. They started by captivating audiences with their live shows and have grown to be the household name for all things magic. Prove It CPAs is conducting the annual audit of Out of a Hat's financial statements. Let's check out a meeting that's happening right now between Al Kazam, the CFO of Out of a Hat, and Dee Cipher, the Audit Engagement Manager, to learn more about how service organizations are used and what procedures are required to be performed by their auditor.
Can you tell me a little bit more about how the company uses service organizations?
Sure. We actually use many different service organizations. They really help make our jobs easier. Depending on what services they are providing, we send them the information they need, they work their magic behind the scenes, and we can focus on perfecting our tricks and creating the latest and greatest magical products. Oh, look over here, Dee. This is a new one we've been trying to get just right. Well, looks like that one needs some more tweaks still. Let's get out of here. Abracadabra. Shoo, sorry about that, Dee. There's no shortage of excitement working here. Let's sit. What were we talking about?
How your company uses service organizations.
Yes. We use service organizations for many different areas of the company. They just make it so easy on us, so we place a lot of reliance on what they do. We use Presto Payroll as our payroll service provider. No Tricks Transactions does our credit card transaction processing. Illusion Investments helps with our investments portfolio. I'm sure there are more.
You just overheard a conversation between an auditor and a member of management from Out of a Hat Company about their use of service organizations. So what does this mean from an audit perspective? What is the auditor responsible for when a service organization is used by their audit client? This course will explore the applicable auditing standards when a service organization is used, including an overview of service organizations, including examples of how they are used by companies and key terms surrounding their use, the types of reports issued by the service organization's auditors, and the user auditor's responsibilities when relying on work performed by service organizations. Note that user auditor refers to the external auditor that is auditing the company that uses or relies on the service organization.